Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our security guard suitable for the side door of Ford Transits 2014 onwards. These vehicles regularly get broken into by being drilled through the doors to access the locking mechanisms. Our Shield Kit prevents this by providing 2 added layers of protection to your vehicle. Our kit includes 2 shields. The exterior shield is made from brushed stainless steel, and an interior shield made from green anodized stainless steel. Both shields are 2.5mm thick, which is double the thickness of a standard door. The kit also comes with a closed-cell foam gasket, which is water-resistant and protects the door underneath the shields. You will also receive a paper template to drill accurately into your door, 11 nylock nuts so you don't need to use thread lock, and 11 stainless steel washers. Cut out the paper template and align it against the edge of the door frame. The base of the template should be 11 inches up from the plastic trim on the lower part of the door. Secure it with masking tape. Use a center punch to mark the drill holes. If you do not have a punch, you can use a screw bit and a hammer. Use a 3mm drill bit to drill pilot holes on each punch mark. Remove the template. Open up the holes to 9mm by increasing the size of the drill bit. Clean up any swarf. Offer up the guard to the door and check that it fits snugly into the drilled holes. Use a paint pen or touch-up kit and go over all of the drilled holes. This will prevent rust. If your vehicle has been broken into previously and has a hole drilled by thieves, ensure that this has also been touched up. Allow the paint to dry and then take a good quality wax oil and spray over the holes. This adds another layer of protection against rust. Place the foam gasket over the door guard and install it into the drilled holes. Place the washers over the 4 studs on the outer side of the door, then hand tighten the nylock nuts over the top. Use a 10mm spanner to tighten them. Be sure not to over-tighten the nuts, as this may warp the exterior shield or cause the studs to snap. Tighten the nuts until the foam gasket has a snug fit between the door and the shield. Place the green interior guard over the top of the studs. Place the washers over the studs, hand tighten the nuts, and then tighten with a 10mm spanner. This completes the installation. This product is now available to purchase on our website www.x8r.co.uk and our eBay and Amazon stores. Please search for product number X8R0260. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.